igama nguSimpiwe from kwaSimpiwe Molefe Properties. Today is Mdantsane, so we've got a very beautiful house behind me. Please just show them the front so that they can see before we go inside. Just show them. There's a double garage that side. Here is a very big gate for maximum security. You can go inside. Can you show them the front and the side? And also that side. Now at the back, what is nice with this property, at the back, there are flats. So you can move so long. There is a garage in front of you. Here's a short passage. Then you can just show them. This is a 2-bedroom flat with a shared bathrooms with a income of 5,000. This is your bright area. Also, you can just show them. You can come this side, just show them. Bright area. There is your small anyana garden. So it's suitable for both commercial and residential purpose. You can show them also the back. There's also an outside tap. Then also this side is a very big space. Then from here, I want you to join. I want us to go inside so that you can see how beautiful this house is. Here is your bathroom. You know, these are the rooms, shelter rooms with aluminum windows, of course. So this house is ready, beautiful, ready for someone to move in. You can also sit here as a family. You can just show them the front here. The wonderful door also. Okay, we'll start this side. I think you can show them that room, please. That one. That is room number 1. It's not yet the main bedroom. Then the bathroom also. Then the kitchen area. Then we are moving from there, we are moving to room number 2. Here's room number 2.